Welcome back to our Wix online program series. Today, we are going to learn how to customize the automatic invoice for your online program. So let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Online Programs. Hover over the program you want to work on and then click on Edit Settings over here. Now, go to Visibility and Pricing. Scroll down a little bit until you reach the price section. And under one-time payment, you can see the option here that says automatically send invoices. If you'd like to customize the invoice, click on Customize Invoice over here, and you will be redirected to the Getting Paid Settings page. So this is where we can get to work on our invoice. Let's go to the Invoices tab, and this is where we can start working on our invoice. On the left, you'll see different sections you need to work on, while on the right, you'll see a preview of your invoice as you work on it. Let's start with the header details. So for the header details, input your document name and number. You can choose from preset ones over here, or you can add a custom name. So it all depends on you. Next, for the invoice number, I think I'd like to keep it this way, but if you'd like to edit your invoice numbering, click here and then set your preferred numbering over here. The number you input here will be the starting number. By the way, once the starting number is set, it can't be later changed to a lower number. So keep that in mind, and once you're done, just simply click on Done. Next, we have the logo. So the logo here will automatically be reflected depending on whether or not you uploaded your logo on the business info section when you are working on your business info. If not, you can click on Add Logo here to add your logo, but remember, if you do that, you'll be taken to a different page where you can do that. So I think it would be better if you finish working on everything on this page before moving on to another. So yeah. Now let's go to the header fields. So select fields to add to the top of each invoice. So you have the issue date, the due date, which are automatically selected. And if you'd like to add even more custom fields, you can choose a field over here. So you have tracking number, reference number, PO number, SO number, sales representative, or you can create a new field of your choice. So yeah. Now let's go to the business info section. So I'm gonna expand this. So for the business info, this comes from your business info in settings. So whatever information you input on your business info on your online program will automatically be reflected over here. Now, if you wish to edit it, you can click here, but once again, you'll be taken to a different page. So it would be a lot better to finish working on everything that needs to be done here before moving on to another. Provide additional info about your business, like a tax ID or a website URL. So if you wish to add this, you can also do so. Click on Add Custom Fields, enter your field name here. You can select from preset ones or create a new one, and enter the field value. Click on Done once you're done. Next, we have the tax display section. So choose how to show tax on this invoice. You have three options. You can choose one, or you can choose multiple, or even all of these options. So simply tick the checkbox according to your preferences. And yeah, you can also see how it's gonna look like here on the preview section. All right, let's move on to payments received. So here you can decide whether or not to show transaction details. This includes payment date, payment method, and the amount paid. So we can actually see that here. Next, we have footer notes. So this is where you can leave notes or terms for your customers that will appear at the bottom of each invoice. So your notes will appear here and your terms will appear over here. If you wish to edit your notes, click on Edit. You can edit the label and then input your text or note over here. The same goes for terms. There you go. Now once you're done, review everything from top to bottom and make sure to check for any mistakes so that you can work on those mistakes before saving. But once you confirm that everything's all good, then click on Save over here to save your changes. And there you go. That's how you customize your invoice for your online program. That's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found today's video of help somehow. Stay tuned for more tutorials about Wix programs. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.